Tashkent, the vibrant capital city of Uzbekistan, is a mesmerizing blend of ancient history, rich cultural heritage, and modern sophistication. Nestled in the heart of Central Asia, Tashkent is a bustling metropolis where tradition meets innovation, offering visitors a captivating glimpse into the soul of Uzbekistan. From its historic landmarks and bustling bazaars to its modern skyscrapers and vibrant art scene, Tashkent is a city that never fails to enchant and inspire. Tashkent, a city steeped in history. With a history dating back over 2,000 years, Tashkent is one of the oldest cities in Central Asia, boasting a wealth of historic landmarks and architectural treasures. Visitors can explore the old city, where narrow, winding streets lead to ancient mosques, madrasas, and mausoleums, each bearing witness to the city's storied past. Highlights include the Khast-Imam Complex, home to the oldest Quran in the world, and the Chorsu Bazaar, a bustling market where locals have been trading goods for centuries. Tashkent Metro, a journey underground. One of the most fascinating aspects of Tashkent is its metro system, known for its stunning architecture and ornate design. Built during the Soviet era, the Tashkent Metro is not only a convenient mode of transportation, but also a veritable underground art gallery, with each station adorned with intricate mosaics, marble columns, and chandeliers. Visitors can take a ride on the metro and marvel at the beauty of stations such as Kosmonavtlar, with its space-themed decor, and Alisher Navoy, named after the famous Uzbek poet. Uzbekistan travel, discovering the jewel of Central Asia. Tashkent serves as the perfect starting point for exploring the wonders of Uzbekistan, a country steeped in history and culture. From the ancient Silk Road cities of Samarkand and Bukhara to the desert landscapes of Khiva and the natural beauty of the Fergana Valley, Uzbekistan offers a wealth of attractions waiting to be discovered. Visitors can embark on a journey through time as they explore the country's UNESCO World Heritage sites, vibrant bazaars, and welcoming hospitality, immersing themselves in the rich tapestry of Uzbekistan's cultural heritage. Tashkent, a city of contrasts. Modern Tashkent is a city of contrasts, where gleaming skyscrapers and futuristic architecture stand side by side with historic landmarks and traditional neighborhoods. Visitors can stroll along Broadway Street, Tashkent's bustling thoroughfare lined with shops, restaurants, and cafes, or explore the city's green spaces, such as the sprawling Amir Timur Square and the tranquil Japanese garden. For a taste of Tashkent's burgeoning art scene, visitors can visit the Ilkum Theater, the city's premier venue for avant-garde performances and cultural events. Tashkent by drone, a bird's-eye view. For a truly unique perspective on Tashkent, visitors can take to the skies with a drone and capture breathtaking aerial views of the city's landmarks and landscapes. From soaring above the majestic Khast-Imam Complex to gliding over the bustling Chorsu Bazaar, a drone allows travelers to see Tashkent from a whole new angle, revealing its beauty and diversity in stunning detail. Conclusion: discovering the magic of Tashkent. Tashkent, with its blend of ancient history and modern charm, offers visitors a captivating glimpse into the heart of Uzbekistan. Whether exploring its historic landmarks, immersing oneself in its vibrant culture, or simply soaking in its bustling atmosphere, Tashkent is a city that never fails to fascinate and inspire. So pack your bags, embark on an adventure to Tashkent, and prepare to be enchanted by the beauty and diversity of Uzbekistan's capital city. Please enjoy our next video on 30 unreal places on Earth.